how to build BMI Calculator app on ChatGPT. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside ChatGPT right here. I'm using the free version of ChatGPT, and once inside you can just go ahead and type your preferred prompt. In my case, I'll go ahead and type right here, build a BMI Calculator app, give me the HTML code, JavaScript code, and the CSS code. Go ahead and hit on enter, and ChatGPT will do everything for you. So first things first, we have the HTML code right here, and in this video we are going to test it inside a website called CodePen. Now you want to go ahead and copy the HTML right here, paste it on CodePen, and for the second one we have the CSS code. Once again, copy the code and paste it on our CodePen. And lastly, we have the JavaScript code, which is the script.js. Once again, copy the JavaScript code and paste it towards our CodePen. And so guys, as you can go ahead and see, we now have the BMI Calculator app. So let's just go ahead and say that we weigh 70 kilograms. And for our height, we stand around 10 meters. You can just go ahead and click on the calculate BMI, and as you can go ahead and see, it totally works. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.